Hi, and welcome to Hord Inc Studios. If you are new here, make sure to hit the like button now and subscribe. Today we are looking at casting shadows on your 3D elements and reflections on the reflective elements. We will use an image plane, with a green screen footage exported with alpha channel from Davinci Resolve. The camera tracking was also exported via Resolve Fusion. With that out of the way, let's get started. Open Blender and install image plane by clicking Edit, Preferences, and Search Image, and tick on Images, Planes and save preferences. Now export the green screen footage with alpha channel from Fusion, assuming you know how to remove green screen in Fusion using Delta keyer. Render as individual clips. Format as QuickTime. Codec as GoPro sign form. Type to RGB 16-bit. Tick Export Alpha, and choose Alpha mode as either straight or per multiple. Remember, whatever you used in Fusion must be used in Blender when importing the clip. Now let's import the clip into your 3D space. Press F3 and search image, select image as plane, and locate your exported clip. Leave everything else and under Material Settings, choose Principled, Shadeless, or Emit to fit the situation. We are going to use Principled. Under Use Alpha, choose the alpha used when exporting the clip from Resolve Fusion. We use pre-multipled. Click Import Images as Planes, and we are one step close to getting shades or reflections. Make sure the viewport is in Render Preview. Assuming you have 3D elements set up for your scene, make a collection for the video clip imported in Blender. To import the camera tracking and adding background images, please see our video on workflow between Blender and Fusion. Now we can try by all best to align the camera background images with the plane's images. Right-click the unseen collection and under View Layer set Indirect Only. Now the shadows can be visible on your 3D elements. For the reflective elements, make sure your camera shot and reflective surface don't give away the trick. And with all that said, I hope this helped you on your new project and give realism to your video. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and subscribe.